Malaysia. And today I'm going on a street food adventure here in Melaka. Oh, Melaka is one of those places you have to visit when you're here in Malaysia. So that's why today I'm going on a happy food adventure here, trying Malaysian, Pakistani and Indian food all in one. So stay tuned because today, I'm ready to eat. Malaysian, are you ready? Tag along and put me on full screen and don't click nowhere, just focus on this.
So chill, bro. Everything's just far away.
Melaka is about 2 hours away from Kuala Lumpur. This place is full of history. The Dutch, the English used to rule here. But I'm not going to bother you with all of that because I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Right, so just in 5 minutes, I'll be there, walking it, saving money, at the same time walking out.
Yeah. 1%.
Yeah.
Okay, like come.
Sure.
Finish it.
Okay.
Right, thank you.
You're welcome. So I've arrived here now. Okay, so SATAY. Hello, how you doing? You alright? Brilliant. Oh, thank you. I got my water there. So this is an interactive like SATAY. Okay, so which means I'm putting my water down. I'll be making things by myself, right? It's like a DIY. Huh? Is there a big tray here? You bring the tray? Oh, bring the tray. Okay. I'm gonna have to see which one I like. Oh, look at all this. Really nice. Okay, I think I saw something. Oh, let me open this. Dipping in and then cooking as well. Oh, I think everything has been cooked. So you just dip it into that sauce in there. That's amazing. Look at this good guy.
Fish ball.
This is a fish ball. I want fish ball. This, what's this?
Meatball.
Yeah, meatball. I need the meatball.
Meatball.
This one as well?
Small one.
This one chicken, yeah? Yeah? Chicken. Let me get one of this. This is what I got so far. Thank you. I got my tofu in there now. I'm getting the crab as well. Oh, crab. So literally what he's trying to say is like, I have to wait for at least you have to cook it for at least 3 minutes, but we have to wait first for this thing to boil, and then I can just dip everything in there.
And then you pull out and then you can wash. No, you put it.
Put it there?
Because you want to taste the sauce.
Okay. So just leave it in there?
Leave it. This one is very light.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Alright. Cheers, thank you. Show me how to do this. So when this thing is finished boiling, right, now the time has come, so they're blasting music, so which is not good for me. So I've got to be quick on this, right? So for copyright strike. What's your like? This is the fish. I like it, it's really good. He's mixing it, so pretty much, that's amazing. Right, so you don't double dip on this because other people are going to use it for sauce as well. So you go like that, or if you don't want to erase it, you should just go like that. But for me, I'm not going to erase it this time, I'm just going to go all the gravy.
You want satay stock or you can take this one is short very nice. You can put your food. This one very nice, other one.
Okay, yeah, go.
This one, you can put your food. So hot
It's really hot
very
really
hot.
Now let me go for the fish in that sauce. Right, get a bit closer. So you see exactly what I'm talking about, mate. Oh yeah. Sauce in there, around there. Let's give more of that in there. Oh, it's like a butter. Oh yeah. Chicken. Ooh. I'm loving it, man. Now, yeah, so this is the last bit now. I don't even know what's the price yet. Juicy inside that. Hurry up. I like it because it's sweet inside as well. Oh, I love it, man. I love this. The tofu is absolutely amazing, man. Final two. Back in here. This is the crab I've been waiting for, man. Okay, I think let's go. Let's have this one last. Oh, this is so soft. It's a bit strange, man, but I had it. Not bad. So yeah, I think I've done this for today. Right, so at one point I felt like I wasn't doing a good job at all. It's about to rain, so I think that was good. Yeah, man, they also teach me how to do the thing as well. It's a great experience, man. So normally satay on the street, you just see people making it, they already made it for you, so and they just take and go and then have a bite and stuff like that. But I think it was worth it, man. Like walking like 26 minutes from where I'm staying just to try this. So yeah, I think it was good. So yeah, I'm moving out to my next stop, so the tandoori chicken. Yes, of course, man. So let's go and do it. To my last and final stop. Yeah, so I'm here now. Made it. It wasn't a long walk from my my first stop here. So it was about a 15-minute walk, so which is pretty close. Right, so you can see all those people here. Yeah, I'm the only foreigner here, man. Everywhere I go, proper local. Everyone's sitting down peacefully. It's like a family vibe. You know, so this is all about exploring, man. You're seeing different things, and oh, look at that guy over there. What is he making? Let me get a bit closer and see. Whoa, look at this. Look at that. That's amazing, man. Oh, I think that's a chicken there. Ooh, look at that in there. My goodness. So using the traditional way, and this is the tandoori chicken. Oh yeah, it's got a flap in the bread there. So the bread there, flapping, got the flour. So a bit in it, and then of course getting a roll as well on that table. It's not bad, mate.
No, I'm not joking around or beating around the bush, but Muslim people are truly nice, especially this guy. He invited me up close to have a look at this tandoori chicken. Oh yeah, tandoori chicken. Look at the color. Whoa, that color will make you feel like, oh yes, I'm precious. Oh, I'm precious. Come and have me. Can you touch me? Oh, I'm precious.
And then this one as well, it's a cover it so the thing can actually cook properly. Oh, Smikey. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Badar Arafat.
Badar Arafat.
Badar Arafat.
Badar Arafat.
Yeah.
Oh, Mans. Yeah, nice to meet you. London.
London.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna try it anyways. It looked very interesting, so why not, man? You're such a nice guy for letting me try it. So we'll get a bit closer. So look at, let me the naan. So, That's not. Oh, look at the naan in there. Wow. Oh, it's bun. Yeah. Look at the roti there.
Normal.
Yeah.
After that is around 500 Celsius.
But is it? It's hot. Oh my God. You do this every day?
Yes.
So it's just like it's interchange.
Yeah.
Oh,
It was
that's.
very hot.
You can see it. You can see the steam, right?
Yeah.
The heat.
Yeah, correct.
This is so mad.
Yeah, bright. The weather can see the fire can like this.
It's like a bowl.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Man, so I want to. This place is quite big inside, isn't it? Let me just take a look inside. So like, yeah. So if you want to sit inside, you can. You've got a fan in there as well, which is quite cool. But if you want to sit outside, you want to get the view and the streets as well. You'll get that vibe. And then of course you can do that. Now look at this, man. These guys are quite friendly here, man. Why? Come on! It's a peaceful game, man. Cricket. Oh, I think Pakistani are quite good at cricket, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, England are quite good at cricket as well. It's true. Yeah, I think I got enough now. Let me come and try this now. The time has come. My God, this guy is such a friendly guy, man. And let me try actually come so close just to see it and how to prepare it. Such a nice guy. I was a little bit nervous, to be honest. Oh, look at that, man. This guy's a legend. Look, they got all this to make. And apparently, he told me like...
Inside the ingredients,
yeah.
Inside the ingredients, 20 over hygienist.
Hygienist. Okay. 20 what?
20 over items.
Is it?
Yeah.
20 over items in one thing.
Yes.
Wow. My expectation is high now. You get me excited. Is there someone sitting there? Yeah. Can't even beat me. I'm not even playing with my two hands, yeah. Look, can't even. Look, let me finish this game before I jump into my food, yeah. So that is my food. I won. So I'm not gonna watch her hands, but anyway, I think this is gonna be a new series now. Like when I'm waiting for my food, I'm gonna play a bit of a game, show you the games I play, while I wait for the food. Anyways, yeah, look at this. And I'm waiting for my naan bread now. This is the, yeah. Look at it. Look at that chicken. It's tandoori chicken. My friend over there, he's the man behind all of this, man. Is the magic. Right, so my naan bread has arrived, and this is the sauce that comes with it as well. Look at that. Mamma mia. Let me show you. So dip it in the sauce, and of course you see that in there. It's madness, isn't it? Okay. I like the tandoori. It's got a tandoori vibe to it as well. Come with the cucumber and with the lime as well, because I love cucumbers, mate. Get naan. Oh, but I think it's slippering down. Holy cow! This is amazing. Damn, this is something, mate. It's a joy to eat. I love the naan bread. The bread is so bloody soft. It's very cheesy as well because I got the cheese naan bread. I think, my God. I'm gonna absolutely end this video here. But before I go, one more. I like the tandoori. I like that. The lighting is so bad, man. I'm not gonna lie to you.